What? It's an intro. Ain't you ever heard no intro? How am I doing today? I don't even know what I'm doing. Make some phone calls. I need to find me some stuff. That's right, it's a cheap phone. I got some stuff that I need, so we're going to try and find it.
Thank you for calling your 24 hours. How may I help you?
I know it's, what department? Maybe you got space heaters. I don't know what department that'd be.
It'd be hardware. Hold on just one moment.
Hey, thank you. I love transfer. Ain't nobody there. Come on. Give me some good news.
Hardware, how can I help you?
Is this, what department is this?
Hardware.
Hardware. Oh, perfect. Hey, I know it's a seasonal item, but I got me a problem. My ex-girlfriend, she's kind of she's a bit of a detention whore, so we just keep her down in the basement. We're trying to find us some, like a space heater. We don't need no big thing, though. You should just a little bitty.
Our heaters are all set. We got a whole bunch, all different sizes.
Oh, you got big ones or little ones or what?
Big ones, little ones, whatever you need. I'm sure we have it.
Well, thing is, she used to take pictures of herself, her roast beef, and send it to her ex-boyfriend, so now she just stays in the basement and pouts all day. I mean, she used to be a skinny little thing, but now she probably weighs about 400 pounds. Because all she does is sit around and smoke that marijuana and eat peanut butter M&Ms. But she's sitting in the basement, and she just wants a little bitty, just a tiny one, so she could put it underneath the covers. I don't know why she does it. I mean, it makes the whole house just smells like her grandma's purse. So, but she just needs a little bitty one. About how much? Yeah, about how much would they be running right now?
Let me go over there real quick, okay?
All right.
Okay, they start at $15 and go up into the hundreds.
$15. That's about. Let's see.
The smaller ones are like from 15 to 30.
All right. Well, I guess I could tell her if she don't buy like 15 bags of peanut butter M&Ms or maybe like one bag of weed, she could probably afford one of those. So. Oh, Lordy, I tell you, this girl's trouble. Trouble.
It sounds like it.
All right, I appreciate it. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
You have yourself a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye.